We're really excited to announce we have a new calendar feature in our platform so that you can view all your enrollments, whether they're seminars, special events, or other learning opportunities via a calendar view. So this video is to show you how to find that and how to use that. So you're going to come to our site as usual at continuingeducation.udayton.edu or go.udayton.edu/UDOLLI. First thing, as always, is to make sure you sign in. Click that sign in button right in the electric blue bar. Come down to your sign in to your existing account and put in your information. Once you have your information in, click the sign in button. You'll know you're signed in if it says sign out here and has your name under the welcome bar right there. So to get to the calendar view, you're going to go to account. And when you click account, one of the items in the list that's available to you is something called My Calendar. So just click on that. And of course, if you haven't registered for anything, it's not going to show anything. So it's only going to show what you've registered for so far to date. There's several views. So you can see the year at a glance, month at a glance, week at a glance, day at a glance, or a list. So right now I am in list view and it is showing me what I have on each date, skipping dates that I don't have anything registered for. And so I can also switch to year view if I want to look at that from this larger calendar and see what dates I have registered for seminars. I can just look at 1 month. Of course, I'm not registered for anything in July, so I can go to August or September and see those here. And then per week, again, same thing. It's just going to show your week. So if I go to my one of the weeks where I have an event, it's going to show it on my calendar as well. And then by the day. So if I just want to see one day at a time. So that's how those will be displayed. You can also go back to the list. So all these different options for you to see. Hopefully that'll help you with registration. If you've already registered for things and you want to see what you did and when it is, you can double check before registering for new things or just to remind yourself what you have coming up. This is a wonderful feature. I hope you'll use it. If you have any questions, again, give us a call at 937-229-2605 or give us an email at udolli@udayton.edu.